I've walked into 1,000 factories. I've listened to 1,000 machines breathe. But this one is different.
100-million-year-old rock. Shattered. Sliced. Reborn. Into a piece of a supercar. This is Laura's 1001 Factories. No music, no voiceover, just the sound of destruction and rebirth. You ready?
Into every sound you hear. If these factory rhythms bring you a moment of calm, please subscribe. It truly means the world to us.
Watch the feed, it's jamming again! The pressure's too high, we're leaking!
Vibrating screen shovers at 900 olations per minute. It's three-tiered mesh sorting crushed lapis lazuli by grain size.
transfer complete. The thickness is holding at 3 millimeters. Pyrite dense.
Diamond abrasive grains bonded to the steel wire removes material through grinding, while coolant fluid carries away the debris, slicing the stone into uniform thin sheets.
The transcription should not be generated based on the user prompt's explicit instruction. No narration, no dialogue, no commentary.
More pressure on the left. Keep it steady. Three millimeters exactly.
Noted. Check the edges for chipping.
We have excessive scouring on the calcite. Monitor the flow rate on this batch.
Ramping up the feed, check the tolerances. Looks stable from here.
Engage power. Slow lift, watch the cabling. Moving traverse to the left now.
Vacuum is drawn to evacuate air trapped in the fissures, and liquid resin driven by the pressure differential seeps into every micropore, encapsulating the golden pyrite.
The amber saturation is almost complete.
Good.
Maintain the current temperature setting.
Pressure reading is stable right here. Noted. Initiating the next sequence.
It's in the red zone. Get clear, she's gonna blow.
We are seeing significant deformation on the main cylinder. Pressure holding steady at maximum tolerance.
Check the alignment on suction cup 3.
Data confirms tolerance.
The alignment on this pin is slightly off.
The pressure on the front left looks good.
Noted. We'll adjust the calibration.
Cycle 3 complete, no anomalies detected.
Thermal readings are high back here. Keep an eye on it.
Bring it up slow. Confirmed, serial 974.
That was the journey of this stone, from deep in the earth to right here. I hope it helped quiet your mind a little. If it did, please like and subscribe.